皆さんこんにちは。アリス先生です。こんにちは、ケンジです。こんにちは、ナツコです。The learning intention for this lesson is to learn the next 15 hiragana characters for the yellow belt. What are our success criteria? I can read and write the next 15 characters. I can read short words in Nihongo. So looking at our hiragana alphabet, we've already learnt the white belt, a, I, U, E, O. Today's lesson is the next 3 lines, the K line, the S line, and the T line. So, kakiku keko, sashi suseso, tachi tsute to. So let's have a look at each character now. Our first one is ka. Ka. We go across, down, and flick. And the story to help us remember ka is cut for cartwheel. Here's our person going over doing a cartwheel. Ka. Then we have ki. Ki is for key, like an old-fashioned key. It goes across, across, down, flick. Then we have a nice easy one, ku. Ku is for kookaburra. Ku. We start at the top and down to the bottom. Ku. Then we have ke. Ke starts on the left. We go down, across, down. The story is ke for keg, a big barrel that we keep beer in. Keg. Ke for keg. And the last of the K characters is ko. Ko is for copper coin. We do the top and then the bottom. Ko. Moving on to the S line, we start with sa. Sa. Across, down, flick. Sa is for samurai sword. The samurais were the Japanese warriors and they had very sharp swords. Sa for samurai sword. And a nice easy one, shi. Shi for she has long hair. Start at the top, down to the bottom. Then su. Su goes across and down with a loop. Please don't do the circle as an extra part. Down is all one action. Su. And the story for Su is sumo wrestler with his big fat belly. Su. Then we have set. Set goes across, the small stroke and the longer stroke. Set. Set is for setting sun. These two people are sitting, having a little moment, watching the setting sun. Set. And the last of the S line is so. So is written in one stroke, a little bit like a Z and a C. So. And the story is so for sewing. Here's all the material ready to go through the sewing machine. So for sewing. Then we have the T line. This is ta, across and down, top and bottom. And the story for ta is ta. Like you might say to a little kid, ta, because it looks like the sound T-A, ta. Then we have chi. Chi goes across, down and around, a little bit like a 5. Chi. The story is chi for cheese. Here's our little ball of cheese with a toothpick in it. Cheese. Chi for cheese. And then we have tsu. Tsu. Tsu is for tsunami, a big tidal wave. Tsu. It's spelled T-S-U. Different to su for sumo wrestler. This one is tsu with a T at the start. Tricky. Then we have te. Te. A bit like an upside down 2. Te is for broken tennis racket. The handle has been snapped. Te. And our last letter for the yellow belt is to. We do the little line and then the long line is for toe. Here's our big toe, and it's got a prickle sticking in it. Ouch. Top for toe. So, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, and ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Let's see how we go at reading some of these words. You'll notice some of the white belt letters sneaking back in here too, so you can revise them. Okay, let's look at the first one. So we have su, I, ka, suika. Suika is watermelon. The next one, to, ke, I, tokei is a clock. Tokei. The one in the middle, su, ku, e, for exercise from last lesson. Tsukue. Tsukue is a desk. And the last word, kasa. Kasa. Kasa is an umbrella. Okay, what next? You can practice writing your hiragana. You could make some flashcards and play some games. You could try the apps on your iPad. Or you could ask Alice Sensei for a test when you're ready. 皆さん頑張って。じゃあまたね。